chicken fenugreek leaf, potato chickpea flour fried fritters, or chicken potato fenugreek leaf garbanzo beans flour fried fritters, or chicken keema pakoda. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes, and one of the most delicious of the garbanzo beans recipes, and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes, and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes, and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes, one of the most different of the street food recipes. Today we're going to make chicken potato fenugreek leaf chickpea flour fried fritters. We have taken around 150 grams of minced chicken, which is boneless and which has been washed. We made the tomato into a puree by boiling and mashing it and ground it along with the chili, red chili. The next ingredients are chili flakes, around 10 grams, 25 grams of ginger garlic paste, 1 onion cut into pieces, large onion, and around 25 grams of fenugreek leaves. Put in the potatoes into the pressure cooker. Put in salt to taste. Put in 5 to 10 grams of fennel seeds. Pour in around 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Salt the onion pieces thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Until the onion pieces are golden brown. Put in the ginger garlic paste, salt, soft curry, Now put in the minced meat into the mix. Mix. That is the second mix. Put in the fenugreek leaves. Mix in the fenugreek leaves. Now add the tomato chili mixture. And a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Close and let the mixture cook for 20 minutes. Add water if necessary. Ginger garlic paste, a spoon of it. That's around 25 grams. Now put in the pieces of one chopped onion, small chopped onion, and one tomato. Put in the pieces, and the chili flakes and boiled potatoes. Mash. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mash the potatoes and the onion pieces, and mix the onion pieces with the potatoes and the tomato pieces. 100 grams of chickpea flour into the mixture. Pour in 75 to 100 ml of water and mix. Mix all the ingredients with the chickpea flour. Now put in the cooked chicken piece, minced chicken with the fenugreek leaves. Mix, thoroughly mix the minced chicken with the rest of the mixture. Put in some more fenugreek leaves. Mix, thoroughly mix. And let the mixture rest. And pour in 50 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the chicken fenugreek mixture into the oil and let it fry. Turn it over. And let it fry. Now take off the pan, drain off the oil and put it on the plate. Do this with the rest of the mixture until all the mixture is made into fritters. This is the final chicken, potato, fenugreek leaf chickpea flour fried fritters, or chicken keema pakoda, or chicken, potato, fenugreek leaf, garbanzo beans flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the street food recipes and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.